If you're a creator or marketer drowning in hours of video, there's a smarter way to turn that long footage into scroll-stopping clips. Meet Vizard, a tool that doesn't create videos from scratch but transforms your existing long-form content into ready-to-post viral bites. Let's start with getting set up. Just sign up for the free trial and dive right into the clean, easy-to-navigate dashboard. The main tools you'll use are Auto Edit, Auto Schedule, and the Content Calendar, like a powerful trio for fast wins. Auto Edit works like magic, scanning your video for the best moments like punchlines, reactions, or close-ups, then clips them automatically. You pick your style, fast cuts for TikTok, cinematic looks for Instagram, or vertical formats, and Vizard generates clips that fit perfectly. I usually upload raw footage like podcasts, demos, or food shots, let Auto Edit find the energy spikes, and get a batch of viral clips instantly. Want full control? You can manually mark specific moments or add timestamps, so you catch exactly that slow-motion cheese pull or sauce pour. Plus, Vizard offers multiple formats per clip: square for Instagram, vertical for TikTok, and widescreen for YouTube Shorts. No resizing headaches. Next comes Auto Schedule. Tell it how often to post, and it spaces out and publishes your clips automatically. No babysitting needed. Add custom captions or hashtags, or let Vizard's AI handle that for you, optimizing for each social platform's style. The Content Calendar wraps things up nicely, showing what's scheduled, letting you tweak timings or swap clips before posting. You can double down on winning clips by duplicating and rescheduling them, or easily pull back clips if they're not hitting the mark. Here's a real example, a restaurant promo where I uploaded a long burger-making clip, and Vizard gave me 3 perfect viral clips in minutes. I scheduled those clips every other day, added captions, and the calendar showed me everything lined up, quick and painless. Another one, podcast highlights. I ran a 40-minute episode through Vizard and instantly had punchy moments ready to share for a whole week. No more endless scrubbing or cutting. Vizard finds the energy spikes, suggests timestamps, and saves tons of time. For product demos, I upload a montage and get platform-optimized clips, slow pans for Instagram, fast cuts for TikTok, and square versions for Facebook. Uploading once and getting multiple shapes and lengths for your socials is a massive efficiency boost. Here are some quick tips. Upload good quality footage for the best AI results, and pick style presets that match your platform's vibe. Use timestamps or highlight scenes to teach the AI exactly what you want. It learns and improves over time. Compared to other AI tools, Vizard isn't about making brand new video from text. It's about transforming what you've already got into consistent, polished clips. Some tools focus on original content generation, which is cool but can be costly and slow if you just want social-ready segments fast. Vizard's strength is repurposing long footage at scale, letting creators and small teams save time and stay consistent without extra hires. Keep in mind, it's not a text-to-video generator, and while the AI usually nails it, a quick review of captions and clips helps keep your content sharp. Overall, if you're looking to turn long videos into steady streams of viral clips with easy scheduling, Vizard is a huge time saver. Upload, auto-edit, tweak, schedule. The whole pipeline reduces friction and turns your content hustle into something effortless. Try different styles and posting frequencies to see what gets your audience's attention and keeps them coming back for more. Got questions about workflows like podcast promos or product demos? Drop them below and I'll help you set up a tailored system. If you like this walkthrough, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into creator tools. Catch you in the next one. Now go turn that long footage into consistent scroll-stopping clips with Vizard. Your content game just leveled up.